Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video, and in it I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made the dress that I'm currently wearing. It's more similar like the one I posted a video of me making a dress from scratch. If you remember it, it was like white in color. Yeah, it's more similar like the dress that I'm like wearing now. It's more similar like that one, but then this one, the only difference is that this one is a see-through dress, which means you can see whatever that is like inside. Okay. Okay, all right. So I can only wear this dress when I'm like at the poolsides or at the beaches. Yeah, only at those places, because like I cannot wear it in public because a whole lot of people are gonna be looking at me like, God, what you wearing? Nah. So here you can see that the fabric is indeed a see-through fabric, and then it's also stretchy. You can see when I'm like stretching it, it's stretchy. Okay guys, so here I had to cut the fabric because I wanted the dress to hold me tightly. Then here I just I just holded the edges in place using the sewing pins. Okay, after stitching the edges, if you remember what I did with that white dress, then you know what I'm gonna do here, right? Yep. Okay guys, so after that I stitched. If you want to see how I stitched this part in detail, you can just go back and watch that white dress that I made from scratch. Yeah, because I recorded this at night, so some steps I just skipped them. Thank you guys so much for watching.